Hello lovelies! Welcome back to my channel if you're new, and welcome to my channel if you're not new. Today on Simply Loren, I'm going to be teaching you how to drop in on the coping. This is part one because I think this is going to take two parts and you're going to need time to figure out the first part before you get to the second part, and more importantly because I'm still terrified to do it, and I just learned this the other day from my friend in Oxnard, Keanu and Grace. Shout out to you guys if you see this video. Thank you for teaching me this technique. Let's go learn it together. Come on. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you get to the top of the ramp, and you're going to put all of your weight on like your left leg until you're ready to get your right foot close. And you're going to step all of your weight onto your right foot. All of that weight is on this foot, and since all of that weight's on this foot, you're not going to go anywhere. You should be able to move this left foot. Once you're comfortable with all of that weight, it's scary at first, so I recommend you have somebody holding your hand just in case you do like kind of freak out and you can fall on them. Obviously wear your pads. Put your weight all the way down. You should be able to move this foot. You're going to move this left foot right on top of the spot. This is where the coping is going to be, but before you try with the coping, you want to get the technique right first on the ramp. So this ramp right here is perfect because it goes flat this way and flat down. So start on a little ramp. If you're not comfortable doing ramps, I'll make a ramp video on how to do that. Wait for that video and don't try this yet because it's scarier than to just roll. So you're going to put your foot down, your weight. Then when you're comfortable and all of your weight's there, you're going to roll that foot over this coping. I have a crack here, so it's kind of hard for me to do it. But when you do it, you'll see that there's like nothing to be scared of. There's nothing for you to roll back on. All of that weight's going to be on this foot. Like I said, I have a crack, so I can't do that. But essentially, it'll look like this, and you can roll that foot. And then when you have it there, you're going to put that other foot down and be done. Do that again. So you have that right foot. I'm just going to hold on to this for like video sake. You should be able to do this without holding on to anything if you're doing it right. The only reason I can't is because it's crack and it catches my wheel. But right down, left foot, and your right foot goes down. As opposed to you just rolling in. When you're first starting ramps, you're going to just roll in. You cannot do that over the coping. If you do that over the coping, you're going to fall. You have to have the top because your foot's going to catch the coping and you're going to get stuck and you're going to roll. And when you do feel like you're falling, if you're falling, hopefully you're wearing all your pads, first of all. Second of all, if you feel like you're falling, don't fall backwards. Your weight should be forward and your knees should be bent. So, showing you again. My knees are bent, forward, leaning down. Okay lovelies, hello, this is Editing Loren. As usual, I am not all put together like I do with like the videos, although that video I don't even think I was put together either. I think I wasn't wearing any makeup just like I am now. Anyway, I wanted to quickly mention again why I'm doing two parts for this. I think you really need to practice this technique, putting that toe stop down, all of your weight on that toe stop, practicing your bends to make sure that you're putting your weight in the right areas a lot of different times before you actually move on to the coping. It's really great for you to have good fundamental technique before you just jump into things, because then there will be less room for error. I hope this video explains that really clearly. Sorry about the audio. I have like been trying different things like with my camera, working on the audio, but I'll get better as we go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm gonna make that rolling video hopefully today if I can get out to a skate park, and I think that's it. So thanks for watching and love, Loren. Happy New Year!